Hi kids! Today we will be seeing pre-nursery class worksheets. Track the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 'Help the bee to go from one flower to another to drink the nectar. Bumblebee wants to count the number of petals. So, let's help her in counting the petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fill in the missing upper or lowercase letters A, B, B, C, Y, Z, E, F, F, G, E, G, O, P, M, N. And cycle the correct beginning letters. Ball, B, house, H, fish, F, car, C, can, C. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe my videos.